So in this module, we're looking at network to net worth. So number one, why wait for referrals? Get out there and make it happen. I meet so many people in some great networking groups, but because they're talking about referrals and getting them, they're kind of waiting. Well, at the end of the day, we got to make it happen. The people that get the most in life are the ones that take action. So how can we start taking action? Well, number one, we know we can ask for referrals. Number two, how about starting the ball rolling? So instead of just expecting, we need to be giving. So who can you give referrals to? If you're giving, there's more chance of getting. There's a great thing I heard in team building. And the saying goes, there is no I, as in the letter I, and I in team. So T is obviously T-E-A-M. And it's a bit of a play. There's no I in team. So obviously there's no letter I, but at the same time, a team is about a group of people, not an individual. A team is about the group, not the individual. I'd also challenge this a little bit. I think a team is comprised of multiple I's. If you have a group of people who are all sitting back thinking, well, somebody else will do this, so I don't need to, the team doesn't function. If everybody is contributing to the team works. So my argument would actually be a team is multiple I's functioning as a team, not as an individual. So if you're a member of a networking group, don't assume that everybody else is going to take the action and get the ball rolling. Take personal ownership of that, start the ball rolling, and if everybody does it, everybody wins. So whether you're in a networking group or whether you're just looking to build yourself into a center of influence who is impacting other people, if you start the giving, if you start the ball rolling, it will come back. Energy is energy. Again, look at yourself. Are you the center of the wheel? How can we make ourselves the center of the wheel? And how can we start the ball rolling by applying the law of reciprocity? That's helping other people, so they help us.